a line extending from near Galveston 150 to near High Island A61 to near High Island A131, moving south at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Tabs Buoy F, Galveston A8, Tabs Buoy B, Galveston Bay Entrance, Ofax Bay Isle, Galveston 221, Galveston Pier 21, High Island A109, Galveston 282, Galveston Causeway, High Island A131, High Island A410, High Island A179, Bastrop Bay, Christmas Bay, Southwestern East Galveston Bay, Galveston Ship Channel, West Bay, Galveston 317, and buoy 42,000 to 35. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in league